Okay, so this is Cindy McMahon with Realty USA. I'm here with Mike Rankin from Northeast Funding, and we're going to talk today about the changes that are coming up in FHA. Today is March 21st already. So what's going on with FHA?
The FHA once again is increasing their monthly mortgage insurance. Now people, that's probably been the biggest no-no word in the mortgage industry is MIP or PMI. Starting April 1st, they're going to increase how much they're charging on a monthly basis for mortgage insurance. What does that mean to you? Your monthly payment's going to be higher than it is right now by probably $20 to $30 a monthly basis. On June 3rd, though, is the biggest change. Right now, people say, if I can just pay down my mortgage, I can get rid of that PMI. Well, starting June 3rd, that's going to disappear because the FHA, they don't want just 5 years of money, they want 30 years.
Right.
So if you get a 30-year mortgage, anytime after June 3rd, they're going to require you to pay mortgage insurance the entire life of your loan unless you refinance or you sell.
Okay, so Mike, I have some buyers who will say to me, well, I'm not that worried about that because if that's the case, I'll just refinance. When I get down to less than 80%, I'll go conventional or something like that so I don't have to pay the PMI. My concern with that is interest rates are probably going to be going up, and in 7 years, who knows what the interest rates are going to be?
That's a really good question, Cindy. Right now, on an FHA loan, you're going to be in the low 3%, maybe 3.25, maybe lower. That's better than any interest rates in all of the last 30 years have been. So if someone said to me, Mike, 5 years from now, I'm going to refinance, get out of this PMI, I can say that's great. Well, you're going to go from 3.25% to a 5.5% interest rate, possibly, maybe higher, depending what the market's like. And you might end up paying more than if you just kept the MIP or the PMI.
Right, right. So I think that if I'm working with any buyers today, or any agents are working with any buyers today, it would be really smart to encourage them to possibly get under contract by June 3rd. They don't actually have to close by June 3rd. They just have to be under contract and have that case number. Is that correct?
Yeah, having the FHA case number, so I'd say you'd want to shoot to be under contract by probably the last week of May, so that your mortgage broker, your loan officer from whatever bank you're working with can get that FHA case number ordered and lock you in to the PMI canceling at 5 years or 78% loan to value right now. And in the long run, that's going to save tens of thousands of dollars if you keep your home.
Okay, excellent. All right, well, I think I'm going to get busy and get out there and try to get some buyers under contract before the end of May.
Sounds like a plan.
Thank you very much, Mike, and we'll talk soon again.